Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So in today's video, as promised, I am going to be doing the swatches for this lovely palette that I am giving away. Now, I did do an eye look with this palette today, so let's just do a little bit of a montage. So as I was doing my makeup look today, I decided to do the swatches for this palette so that they were organized and all of that good stuff, and also because I didn't want to make this video a million years long, I did use the base that comes with this palette. I used it as a base, and then I also used it to cut my crease. So I really do like this. So maybe the cut crease canvas that I purchased from Makeup Revolution is a little bit similar to that. But nevertheless, I liked it, and I also loved the shadows. I loved the blendability. I like Makeup Revolution a lot. You guys know that. The palettes that I have given away in the past, I have gotten so much use out of them, and they're my favorite. So the next time I do a giveaway, I'm going to make sure that it's not Makeup Revolution. So there's that. Let's get right into the details of the giveaway, but first let's do the swatches. So I'm just going to insert the pictures that I took for you guys of the swatches of this palette. Okay, so there are the swatches for this palette. Alright, you guys, so let's get right into the rules to enter my giveaway. Okay, so my giveaway starts Monday, February 10th, and it goes until Friday, February 21st. So you guys have quite a while to do your thing and enter. So let's get right into the rules. The rules are very cut and dry, and they're very, very simple per usual with my giveaways. So number one, you must be subscribed to this channel. If you want to subscribe to my second channel, then that is just a little added bonus, but it is not part of the giveaway at all. You just have to be subscribed to this channel. So number two, take the link to my channel on Twitter and share it with 2 of your friends and @ me so that I know that you have shared it. And also say something nice about my channel, maybe one of your favorite videos of mine, one of your favorite looks that I've done, anything nice. Say something nice. So if you only use Instagram, or you're only really active on Instagram, then on Instagram, take a screenshot of me. Take a screenshot of one of your favorite photos of me. It could be a thumbnail of mine. It could be a picture that I have posted on Instagram. Nevertheless, screenshot a picture of me and tag me in it, and tag 2 of your friends. And in the caption, just say something nice, as long as you're saying something nice. Number 3. So number 3 is comment down below your favorite video of mine. And it could be any video. comment down below your favorite video of mine. And number 4 is you must reside in the United States and be 18 years or older. And if you are not 18 years of age, then I need parental consent if you are the winner. So that's it, you guys. That's everything for the rules. Like I said, they're very simple, very cut and dry. And you guys have until, like I said, Friday, February 21st. So good luck to all of you guys. Bye, guys.